Hello guys, this is Ang Peter Tech. Did you know that you can hide some apps from both your phone's home screen and app drawer? Yes, that's as possible and very easy. Hiding apps is a good way to protect your privacy, and most especially when your phone is normally used by your children. It is a good way to keep unwanted apps away from them. Hiding apps is slightly different from one Android device to another, but if you want to hide some apps, then in this video I'm going to show you how to do it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking on the link in my bio. Let's go. Disclaimer: this procedure may not be applicable to some of Android phones. Go to your phone launcher's home screen and long press on any empty space until a menu pops up on the screen. Click on the launcher settings menu and scroll down and select Icon Cache. Click on the plus sign to select all the apps you wish to hide from both the app drawer and home screen. When you're done selecting, just tap on the back button that is located at the top left corner of your phone screen. After, tap on the Hide App Settings icon to secure your hidden apps with a strong password. This password should be different from the one you use to lock your phone screen. That's all. Just press the back button to escape from this interface. Now, we can witness that both Facebook Lite and Jeeb WhatsApp apps are invisible from both the home screen and app drawer. Now to access your hidden apps, you will again have to long press on the empty space on the home screen. Then click on Settings menu and then select Icon Cache and enter your Hide Apps password. That's all. Please follow for more.